For example, I have 8 permutation of 2. Okay? Equals, the formula will be n factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay? This will be your n and this will be your r. Okay? So, substitute the value 8 factorial over 8 minus 2 factorial. Okay, simplify the denominator first. So, 8 factorial. Okay, so 8 factorial over 8 minus 2. That is 6 factorial. Okay, then expand. 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. This is only for the beginning, no? Pero pag medyo okay ka na, you can simplify as like this one. 8 times 7 times 6 factorial. You may stop at the 6 factorial because your denominator is 6 factorial. So, you can easily cancel out the 6 factorial. Okay, dito naman, kakancel mo lang yung 6 factorial, 6 factorial. So, the remaining will be 8 and 7. The same thing with the other one. So, 8 times 7 is equal to 8 times 7 is equal to 56. Okay, clear? Clear?